Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create scary look or creepy look using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PicsArt application on my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to choose my photo. For example, I'm going to select this photo, and then I'm going to add red eyes effect to this photo. We can go to the sticker option, and I'm going to search for red eyes. Okay, just like this, and you can scroll down and select the red eyes that you like. I recommend you to select this one. Okay, and then you can adjust the position like this, and to make it more natural you can blend it. You can go to the blend option right here, and you can choose darken or multiply. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add blood as well. We can go to the sticker, and I'm going to search for blood. Okay, and for instance, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to add it to the eye. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. You can also rotate it if you want. Okay. Okay guys, I'm just going to zoom in to make it easier. Alright, and I'm going to blend it. We can go to the blend option and then select darken or multiply. And I'm gonna go with multiply. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. And don't forget to click on the check mark, and if you want to save it, you can click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's how we can create creepy look or scary look using PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.